Live, this is Good Morning Texas.
As we've been talking about, Thanksgiving is later this month, and having your pantry in order can make planning your holiday feast easier. That's why Tonia Tomlin with Sort It Out is here to share a few tips. Good morning, Tonia.
Good morning.
I am so jealous of what I see here. I am so jealous. It's so organized.
Yes, I know. Everybody dreams of that perfect organized pantry for the holidays. You can just find everything quickly and save yourself some time and headache.
This is beautiful. Okay, your first tip is measure your pantry.
Yes, a lot of our clients come to us and they say, I bought all of this product and it's so amazing, but then it doesn't fit.
Right.
So you have to measure maybe once, maybe twice, maybe even a third time.
Okay, I love the idea of getting this done before Thanksgiving because I think it will make it so much easier. So first you say it's time to purge.
Yes.
Elaborate.
So if without an organized pantry, you have to purge, go through all of your canned goods, all your spices, all those things need to be refreshed. You want a amazing pantry to pick and choose from. So purge first, and don't get overwhelmed. Set a time limit. Don't say 30 minutes. You probably need at least a couple of hours.
Right, and what's the difference between, you also say clean it out. Okay, what's the difference between purging and cleaning it out?
Yes, so purging, you're getting rid of, old expired items. Cleaning it out, really get your, Clorox wipes out there, maybe line the pantry so you have a fresh, new, clean space.
Okay, you've got a perfect illustration of the
Yes.
next point, which is consistent containers, because you have everything from your oils in consistent containers to these beautiful baskets. Why is that so important, and where would you suggest people find them?
Yes, so I actually got a lot of these on Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, and some from Container Store. And what I like about this is whenever you're shopping in your pantry and things are consistent, it kind of makes it exciting to cook if you don't like to cook. So, I love also whenever you're picking out things, just these customized labels. You can do them yourself, or you can even, do some chalkboard labels. That's kind of fun, but be consistent so it makes it fun and easy. And then also putting the dates on the bottom when things expire.
So I've got two things out of all these that you have. I use this for my oils and vinegars. I have one of these, and then I use the stair step for my spices because hard to reach items can be a problem.
Yes, and obviously if you have ADD, ADHD, we want to pick clear for those hard to reach items because that's something that's very important, and also the stair stepper so you can see vertically with your space.
Any other tips before I let you go, and where do people find you?
I would just say start small and don't get yourself overwhelmed, and they can find us at sortitout.com.
Okay, sounds good. I'm ready for the holidays once I get all this done.